Introducing the new OneSync Wi-Fi Smart Bridge. Now you can customize and control your OneSync under cabinet lights with your Feit Electric app. To install the Smart Bridge, start by measuring your cabinets for placement. Then, using the mounting template, mark the desired placement for your Smart Bridge. Install the mounting brackets with the provided screws. Then, install the Smart Bridge by pushing and twisting into the mounting bracket. Finally, connect your Smart Bridge to another OneSync product or directly to power with the separately sold power cord. Setup. Make sure the indicator light is rapidly blinking. Ensure your smart device's Bluetooth is on, and open your Feit Electric app. Tap Add Device or the plus sign at the top right. Tap Go to Add to connect using Bluetooth. Enter your Wi-Fi network's username and password and tap Confirm. Be sure that you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before continuing. You'll know your device is connected when you receive the confirmation screen. Tap Done. Now you can control your OneSync lights using your smart device. Turn your lights on and off with the power button, or change the brightness level of your lights by tapping Max, Mid, Low, or High. Change the color temperature by selecting 2700, 3000, 3500, 4,000, or 5,000 Kelvin. Further customize your OneSync lights with a schedule. Add a schedule, select the time and days, toggle notifications, and select the action you'd like performed. Enjoy the added convenience of controlling your OneSync lights with your smartphone. You can even use simple voice commands to control your lights with Alexa or Google Assistant. Be sure to watch our Alexa or Google setup videos for further instructions. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your OneSync Wi-Fi Smart Bridge.